Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to open WhatsApp account without verification code. First of all, install and open WhatsApp application on your device and select the language of your WhatsApp. After selecting the language, tap on agree and continue. Now enter here phone number on which you want to make your WhatsApp account and select the country code also. And keep one thing in mind that the number on which you want to make WhatsApp account must be inserted in your phone. Now tap on the next button and wait for a few seconds. Here you will see two options. Number one is send code via SMS and second is call me. So you have to tap on call me and now tap on the continue. Now it is requesting a call. Wait for few seconds. When you will receive a call on your phone on your inserted SIM number, so your WhatsApp account will be automatically verified without entering any code. After completion of verification process, tap on restore a backup and tap on continue. Now enter your WhatsApp account name and tap on the next button and wait for few seconds for initializing. Now you can see that your all chat has been restored and your WhatsApp account without verification code has been created. So in this way you can create a new WhatsApp account without verification code. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.